Hey everyone, welcome back to the Microsoft 365 Copilot Connection. My name is Nick Harris, and I am a Senior Copilot Cloud Solution Architect with Microsoft. Today we're going to navigate through a language translation use case. And in general, really quickly to talk about experience here, I am showing the current Copilot experience available for enterprise customers that is not licensed. So I'm using the web chat experience of Microsoft 365 Copilot. However, just as general knowledge, this particular use case you can use across any Copilot experience, whether you have a Microsoft 365 Copilot license, you're using the web chat, or even the consumer grade product we make available for personal accounts as well. So let's hop right on in. So, to set the stage, I work with many customers today that are globally dispersed, and there's a wide variety of languages that are leveraged within their global communications or regional communications. And there are particular needs to take communication information, articles they may be creating, a wide variety of textual data, and aligning that to the language of choice. This can easily be done with Microsoft 365 Copilot by having it perform those language translations for you. So feed your information in and ask it to translate. It's as simple as that. Now, as you can see here, all I've done very simply is ask Copilot or tell Copilot to translate this key article that I've copied and pasted into Spanish. And so I've copied and pasted the particular article. I put it into double quotes, but you don't quite need to do that. This is a fictitious article, and let's review the response. And so now we can see very quickly and easily in Copilot's output the response, and it's in Spanish. And I can do this across a wide variety of language. I can say, hey, translate to Italian, French, German, simplified Chinese, whatever specific language of choice that I require in order to move forward in my work. There's many key examples in my current work today where I receive direct emails that are in different languages of those individual users' choices. And I want to make sure that I understand specifically what they require from me by, not having them do the translation themselves. I can easily do that with Copilot. And if I want to translate this back, I can. I'll translate it back to English as well. Now here you can see all I simply said was translate the Spanish output into English, and it navigates directly back into English output. Now let's just do a quick comparison to make sure everything is accurate. Now here's an example where we can see certain forms of language are changed as we translate from one form to another. And we can do a comparison between my initial prompt and the article text that I provided against the translated article from Spanish to English that Copilot provided me. So let's navigate through and look at the output. So as we can see here, I have three distinct columns: the original article text that I provided, the translated article text from the last output message Copilot provided me, going from Spanish to English, and then any key differences noted between the two. And this is important as we talk about translations. We can see going from English to Spanish back to English, certain key words or phrases were modified or changed, and that is noted in the initial paragraph here. We see the translated text uses about to change instead of poised to reshape, and we can identify this as we navigate through the overall table. Texts are identical, subheadings are identical, so on and so forth, or again, if there were any slight modifications overall. But still, the language, the semantics that are being used means the same thing. Right? So that's all I have to share with everybody for today. I hope this has been valuable for you. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. We will continue to provide you a wide variety of use case scenarios on how you can leverage Copilot. But that's all for me. Have a good one, everyone. Thank you so much.